Yes, Kim, as I mentioned previously, is an awesome hand-guided quilter. It is a craft for her. It is an art for her, and she has a real knack for looking at quilts and designing things to put in spaces. So her quilts, most of the time, are a combination of ruler work and hand-guided quilting, filling in the spaces with different kinds of designs. So in this class, what she's planning on doing is giving you some ideas and techniques. So it's going to be, again, back and forth between learning and getting some ideas on how to fill the spaces, and then going to the frame and actually stitching out some of those ideas. So it's a design class as well as a hands-on at the frame. Let's kind of practice this. And Kim is kind of that little person, that's on your shoulder. She'll be looking over your shoulder, and she'll be saying, yeah, that's kind of good, but why don't you try this? She has little ideas to help you along the way to practice some of the things that you're trying to learn in the class, both with the rulers and with the hand guided. So she's a very good teacher. She's very much looking at what you're doing and making helpful suggestions based on your skill level. So she takes you where you're at, regardless of where you're at, and helps you go up from that point right there.